Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to test code detector near furnace for your furnace. Locate the carbon monoxide detector installed near the furnace before beginning the test. Check that the detector housing appears intact and that the status light or display shows normal operation. Press the test button on the carbon monoxide detector according to the label instructions. Listen for the alarm sound from the detector to confirm the test signal activates properly. Confirm the detector display or indicator light returns to its normal operating status. If the alarm does not sound or the status indication is abnormal, note that the detector needs battery replacement or further service. Leave the carbon monoxide detector active near the furnace for continuous monitoring after the test is complete.